Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your social media accounts with Facebook. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Log into your Facebook account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the top right corner of your Facebook homepage. Click on the downward facing arrow to open the drop-down menu. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Next, click on Settings to access your account settings. In the left sidebar, select Security and Login. Here, you will find options to enhance your account security. Look for the section titled Setting Up Extra Security. Click on Use Two-Factor Authentication to add an extra layer of protection. Choose your preferred method for receiving authentication codes. You can opt for text messages, an authentication app, or other methods. Follow the prompts to set up your chosen two-factor authentication. Once enabled, you will be prompted to enter the code sent to your device every time you log in from an unrecognized device. Returning to the Security and Login section, also review the Where You're Logged In option. This will show you all active sessions associated with your account. If you see any unfamiliar devices, click Log Out to terminate those sessions. Next, scroll down to Setting Up Extra Security. Consider enabling Get Alerts about unrecognized logins. This will notify you via email or text if someone attempts to access your account from a new device or location. To further secure your account, periodically change your password. Ensure your new password is strong and unique. Finally, review your connected apps and websites in the Apps and Websites section. Remove any that you no longer use or trust. By following these steps, you will significantly improve the security of your Facebook account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.